If we could first of all start with team news. Anybody returning any fresh injuries for you?
I think just Matty James not available for the moment and no fit, and Okazaki no match fit also for him. We will see if he can come back in competition with under 23 next game on Monday. We will see if it's possible. He need now game time to come back step by step. So after, I think, all the other players are fit.
So Johnny Evans back available?
He back last game in the bench. He was available, but of course we have a different step, different level of fitness, and we have to manage this and about our focus also perhaps to see the team with a good finish and with a different fitness level. It's difficult sometimes to put the team, the right team about this.
Jamie Vardy was also on the bench. He came on and scored. Is he ready now this weekend to start?
We see all the things. I think he training well this week, like his teammates. He's available, and I don't give the team, but I think he has a good chance to start.
And how positive was that to see he hasn't lost his scoring touch?
For Jimmy, yeah, of course. He came in the game and with the good spirit. We are hungry, and it's a good feeling for the team. Just it was a shame because it was in the last seconds. If he can score early, I think we can perhaps come back in the game.
Your new signing, Söyüncü, what's the situation with him?
Quelle est la situation avec nouvel transfert, nouvelle arrivée, Söyüncü?
Söyüncü is official. He is a Leicester City player, and we are happy to wish him a good welcome, of course. And he came in, he arrived in on the evening today. He will not be much fit for this game, and after a little injury, and we will see. He will come back in the training session step by step, but we will see when he can be available.
I'm pleased to have that one over the line and all sorted.
On est content que c'est concrétisé, le transfert, l'opération.
Yeah, I think it's all this transfer in the good moment, in a good period, and in time. No, it was the same thing like Adrien, for example, and problem with Adrien last season. But we have had the visa, all the things, the necessary things to have this player, and we are happy in his coming in the squad.
From a new signing to a player you kept hold of, Harry Maguire, said to be close to signing a new deal. Is that right? And how important is it that he does get that new deal?
I think most important thing, of course, is it's the importance of Harry in the club, in the squad, and of course after with the management about all our players is just some things between players and club, and I think we have to manage all this club, all these players in the right way, and about the contract, about different things, and we have to build the squad for this season, for the future. So I think Harry, like a lot of valuable player for us, we have to manage all this play in the right side.
Does he deserve a new deal? Has he?
No, I think it's just something between players and club and no other thing. For me, it's the most important thing. The player can play with a good mentality, happy with their club and with their teammates. Is the most important thing.
A couple of players being linked away. Danny Simpson being linked with Stoke. Could he well go on loan? Is that something we might see?
We will see for different players until the end of the transfer window. I cannot give the name, but some player in the squad now they can find a loan and to find together a situation about them, about their future, and for the squad also. We have different players. I said I took a tough decision sometimes in the transfer window, and we will see at the end of the transfer window we can discuss, we can share different feeling about all these things.
Obviously not the result you wanted last Friday, but a lot of positivity about the performance. Have you sort of brought that into this week? Is there a lot of confidence despite that defeat?
Yeah, of course. I think it was a good performance, and it was just the first game of the season. With different players cannot participate on the pre-season, and it was difficult. We know to work in this condition. I was happy about the performance because we saw a good intensity, good mentality. I think it was an exciting play also away against United. At the end, I think we deserved another result. It's not a fair result for me, but it's all this good performance has to give us a good confidence, of course, and to continue this way. It will be just the second game with all the squad available. It's just the beginning of the season, but we show the good tempo, the good quality, and I want we can repeat this performance of the week with intensity, with good play, chances, and of course with another result.
As you say, just one game into the season, very early days, a lot of positivity about the performance. Were you therefore surprised to read newspaper stories about your job? And
there's also speculation. It's early in the season, but it's like this. Or just I can say I will be happy for my successor because he will have a good team, a good squad, and with good basics, with good intensity, with a good mentality, all perfect for him.
You go into this game against Wolves. What kind of game are you expecting from them? How successful do you think they will be this season?
Vous attendez quoi le prochain rival Wolverhampton? Qu'est-ce que vous attendez d'eux? Ils vont avoir des exploits cette saison?
Yeah, I think it's a team. The player knows the play. It's always the same team, the same squad, and they can prepare this season in a good condition without a lot of international play. For example, it's a good thing for them as they continue with quality. It's a team try to play a good football. With very good mentality, good structure, all good reference in their play. It will be a tough game, of course, against a team in confidence, and they continue to play with the same qualities and then in championship, and of course we are aware about their quality, their mentality, and it will be a tough game for us.
How keen are you to get those first points? How important is it that you get them as quickly as possible?
Of course, we play at home. We need to perform and to have a good result at the end, to bring the necessary confidence for the team and to find the good clinical edge. I think is the only thing lacked in our first game, when we can compare different statistics with in the play with United. It was just more clinical than us, and we have of course to improve in this situation. But I a lot of confidence with my team because I think we work very well in the transfer window with a good quality. We put in place a good balance in the team with a lot of quality, different player, young player, hungry, and also with a good balance on the team. In the team, all these things are very important for the future. I think we will make a good season. Very interesting. It's just something about the beginning, because we started without our two international players in pre-season. It was difficult to organize and to improve together. But step by step, we will find the good quality and the good balance and the good level.
There seemed to be lots of creative flair on show last Friday. Are you happy that you're showing there is life after Riyad Mahrez at this club?
Donc on a vu des exemples de la créativité, de l'invention. Donc la vie va continuer sans Riyad.
Yeah, I said we tried in pre-season to find player to share the responsibility and not to put all the responsibility, for example, on just one player. I think we had on the team in the team good players, and we can share the responsibility with creative players. So Maddison start well. It's important he continues his way. I think step by step we will see also Rachid Ghezal is another player with creative aspect, and he can help us a lot, and all different players like Ricardo can bring something and open play also. Yeah, I'm happy about the balance and the possibility to give our fans an exciting play for the future.
One of the people who made a debut at the weekend was James Maddison. Certainly outsiders have been very impressed with his Premier League debut. You knew all about him because you signed him, but what did you make of his debut?
Yeah, I think it's a good start for James with quality, organized the play. He had also some good chances. It's a good start. After he's a young player, he needed to continue to continue this good work with his teammate. Yeah, he made a good game in good training session and pre-season. He can perform in funny games. He can go up on the quality, on the intensity, on his transition also after when we lost the ball, for example. All the good things, the good ingredients to playing in Premier League. And I think it also is a new position for him behind a striker. It's not easy because you play back on the opponent goal. We receive a lot of pressure from the opponent. It's difficult, but he has had a good adaptation in this position, and he can give us a good quality, and step by step he will continue to perform, I think.
He, Chilwell and Demarai Gray appear to work quite well together. Off the pitch, they are also good friends, I think. How key could their friendship and chemistry on the pitch be this season?
Yeah, it's a good understanding between the play, but a good understanding also outside the pitch, because we have a generation, we have young players, and also some experienced players to give them always a good mentality and the good attitude. I think it's important with Wes, Casper, and other experienced play. And I think we have a good balance on the team between young player and experienced player, and balance also with the position of the player. I'm happy about this, and they learn, they listen. The most important thing for the moment. And we need to continue this way. And of course, when we saw Chilwell, Gray, Madison, and all these young players available to perform together is great, and it's all the things I think has to give us the good confidence for the future.
Over the past few years, when Mahrez was linked with other teams, we always thought perhaps that the young player, the pretender coming in to replace Mahrez would be Demarai Gray. I don't know whether you see that this season. You mentioned Madison and Gazelle.
Yeah, but I understand. Sorry.
No, and I was just wondering if that's still in your mind, and if you feel as though he has changed or matured and developed.
We know the play of the team was a lot with on Vardy, on Mahrez, Kanté, for other value player in the past, of course for Leicester, and I think we have when Riyad left the club, I think it was a good opportunity for other players to take the place and to take responsibility. It's normal. They have one year more. They continue to develop and they continue to take their responsibility. And I think it's important to share all the responsibility and the danger as to come for different possibility, different player, and not just one player. It will be difficult in the future, I think, for the opponent to try to block all our players. And we have this season different player can do the difference, and this is I think it's a good important thing. Crucial for us, and of course we have a lot of respect to Riyad, because he was a fantastic player for us, but we have to look forward with a young player to continue to develop and to believe on them.
And just finally, just on Demarai Gray, he says, I saw him this way, he said he has matured, he believes he is maturing. Do you see that in him as well?
Que Demarai, il a déclaré cette semaine qu'il se considère plus mûr. Est-ce que vous appréciez ça quand vous le voyez en s'entraînant et tout ça?
Yeah, of course. We saw this attitude is different in the pre-season friendly game, for example. He played striker, a lot of funny games. I think this new position gave him more confidence also, and he can play striker, he can play left to keep this freedom to take the space, to go to play inside, or to respect his position in defensive aspect. I think it's a good thing, and I hope, of course, he continue to perform like this. Last season, it was up and down about his quality in the game. It's the same game or game after other game. I think we will see we will see all this progress if he confirm game after game. But I'm confident about this because he's more calm, good attitude, and I think he understands a lot of things. Not a lot last season, but this season, yeah.